Legacy in leadership isn't just a buzzword. It's a loaded problem that's killing your chances, your team's potential, and maybe even your sanity. You look around and see the same old faces passing power like a damn baton. No one else gets a shot at grabbing. Talent, ability, hard work. All too often they get shoved aside because who you know and where you come from matter more than what you actually do. If you feel locked out, invisible, or straight up frustrated, good. That means you see the mess for what it is. The real pain is watching skilled people being stuck under leaders who got there because of inherited connections, old titles, or family names. It's infuriating. It's unfair. And yes, sometimes it feels like you're shouting into the void, trying to prove you're better, harder, smarter, while doors stay slammed shut. Here's the cold truth. The system wasn't built to reward ability alone. It's designed to protect legacy, comfort, and old networks. It's a machine running on inertia. It's not about you. But that doesn't mean you have to play by those rules or settle for being a cog. What separates the top founders, investors, and leaders from everyone else isn't just luck or legacy. It's ruthless clarity and strategy about how to bypass the gatekeepers and stack the deck in your favor. Step 1. Stop fighting to fit into their system. Trying to beat them at their own game is a losing battle because the rules are rigged. Instead, start building your own damn system. Find the few rare people who are not stuck in legacy traps. Connect with them where they actually are, not where the masses gather. Quality over quantity, every time. Build partnerships that value what you deliver, not your name or background. Step 2. Show, don't tell. Everyone talks about talent and ability, but few prove it consistently in ways simple, measurable, and hard to ignore. Your work can't just be good. It has to be the obvious best choice. That means obsess on outcomes, results that push the needle, proof that can't be disputed, even by the old guard. Make your ability undeniable through relentless execution and constant improvement. No excuses. Step 3. Leverage transparency and radical openness. Legacy thrives in shadows, closed rooms, inside deals, secret favors. Tear those walls down. Make information, decisions, and data public whenever possible. When your team and your partners know the score and see your progress in real time, trust builds fast and legacy cracks. This isn't about exposing weaknesses. It's about owning them and showing how you battle through. Real talent has nothing to hide. Step 4. Embrace friction. Legacy tries to smooth everything over with politeness and status quo. Real ability sparks conflict, fires up hard conversations, and forces people to face the tough stuff. Don't run from the discomfort. Lean into it. Push your people. Challenge your ideas. Demand accountability at every level. That's the energy that tears down old empires and builds something new, real, and powerful. Step 5. Integrate diversity of thought like oxygen. Legacy leaders tend to clone themselves or pick allies based on comfort zones and familiar patterns. Don't. If you want to win, flood your environment with different perspectives, backgrounds, and skills. That collision isn't just useful. It's necessary to break the trap of fixed mindsets and inherited power. It triggers innovation and resilience that legacy simply can't produce. Finally, remember this. Talent and ability alone won't replace legacy if you're stuck waiting for permission or validation from the old system. You have to take it. Carve your own path like a leader who knows the future belongs to those who move first and move differently. No family name, no old money, no resume from the right place can build that path for you. Only relentless self-overcoming, strategic connection, and ruthless focus on what actually creates value. Legacy can die. It will die. The question is, will you be the one who buries it and builds what comes next, or will you keep watching others do it from the sidelines? The door is cracked. Step through it. Own your ability. Force the future in your image. This isn't waiting for revolution. It's taking power with every move that proves you matter, not by birthright, but by raw, unstoppable skill. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and visit the featured link to learn more.